Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look different, but it's a good different, I promise you. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different, a little bit of hair. As you can see, I need the help. But we're going to be doing my Boxy charm unboxing. This is my first Boxy charm ever, and if you don't know what it is, it's just a monthly subscription box for 20 bucks. I only subscribed to it for 3 months because I've never tried it before. And it comes with this one that came with 3, 4, 5. Oh, gotta select my robe. 5 full-sized items for $20, and I'm really excited, except for one of the products, to show you what I got. This is a little sneak peek right here. So yeah, I am obviously, my hair is freshly washed, and I have nothing in it because I did get a hair product. And my makeup is halfway done because, as you know, Boxy charm comes with face products. So let's get right into it, shall we? Okay, so let's start with the first product. I got the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength plus Moisture Leave-In Mask. So that's the first thing I'll be doing on my hair, obviously. The second thing I got is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara, and it's a full-size tube. Oh, let me just get this while I'm doing that. Let me just tell you how much this is worth. So you can see this box is really worth it. So I already said the leave-in cost $16. This little travel size box bottle, which is 2 ounces, $16. The mascara is $24. I also, oh shit, I dropped it. So I also got a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is the bow and arrow color. This retails for $20, which is the value of the box itself. So, and if you guys ever had Kat Von D, let me tell you. I also got the Per Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And last but not least, I got the Ahava Active Dead Sea Mineral Hand Cream, which this is the only thing I actually opened, and it stinks. So this is the Per Cosmetics palette cost $38, and the hand cream cost $10. But I won't be using it because it smells like a vieja. Like, I don't know if you've oh, you can hear my dog going crazy. I don't know if you've ever smelled like that overpowering perfume that all of a sudden like somebody walks into the room and you're like, oh, I'm nauseous. That's how that hand cream smells. But I have not opened anything else. So we're gonna start with the hair. So let's do this hair because it needs help. Okay, so this is the Briogeo. I got foundation lips. I look like your local crackhead. So I normally use a leave-in and a gel. So today I'm gonna just use my Coils Curl Defining Gel. Actually, you know what? Let's do a lazy wash and go. How about that? How about that? Let's do it sections, 2 big sections. There's a really lazy wash and go. I should section my hair off in little sections, but for the purpose of this video, let's just get right into it. Okay, guys, so now that I look like a wet dog. So this is my hair, by the way. I have a lot of shine. I wanted to show you what my hair looks like without any like Denman brush or manipulation or whatever the case may be. So yeah, this is what it looks like, but I'll show you when it's dry because I do normally do my makeup, let that air dry while I'm doing my makeup, even though my base is already done, and then I will diffuse. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. Oh, first of all, this is the outside packaging. It's masquerade theme, so that's why it has hair on it, but that's why it has like this whole like Mardi Gras-ish theme. And this is the inside of it. Let me just remove the plastic. That's how you know it's brand new. Oh, it smells like vanilla a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, this kind of like got a little effed up. This side got effed up. So this is the eyeshadow palettes. I don't know what kind of look I'm gonna do, but we'll figure that out in a second. And these are the face palettes. This can be a highlighter for my skin tone, even though I do look very pale. This is a good highlighter shade for my skin tone. This would probably be a blush. Maybe this would be like a deeper blush depending what I'm doing. I don't really know. This can be like a bronzer, even though it's shimmery. These do have shimmer, and so do these. I do not like how it looks, like the quality of it, but you know what, let's not judge beforehand, and let's just get into it. So I'm gonna take a This is a Wet n Wild, just like a blending brush. And oh, by the way, I always put concealer on my eyelids, and then I set my eyelids so they're set and ready to go. I really hope I don't have fallout. If I do notice any fallout here, what I normally do is bake my under eyes. Like, I'll put some translucent powder while I'm baking it off. That way it's, oh, okay, well, I just got into it while I was talking. That way it'll just wipe right off when I'm done. So I'm dipping into this, and it looks a little pigmented, so just gonna dust that off. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Maybe I'll just do like a one color because I don't know what else to do. This is just, it has one matte and then all these are shimmer, so we'll just see. See, let's see what happens if I put a little bit more. Oh, what did I do? I didn't tap off the excess. What did I do? Oh my goodness, I went too hard. Blend, 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 blend. I know people, if you do makeup and you're watching this, I'm sorry, girl. Like, I am sorry for disgracing you, but your girl messed up. All right, okay, your girl messed up. Just gonna do the same to the other eye. All right, well, now that I look like Raccoon Rissa, I don't know what I would pack onto my lid. These colors are just like, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I like makeup. Like, I do makeup for fun, and I can definitely beat my face. My own face, not anybody else's face, but these colors, it's just, let me swatch them real quick. Okay, this is like a green, like a swampy green, and it swatches pretty nicely, but I don't know how that would match. Maybe purple. Girl, no, stick to what you, look what you just did to yourself, and you're over here trying to consider doing other stuff. Like, what is you doing? Let me just wipe that off my hand real quick. You know what I am gonna do though? I am gonna try that as a bronzer. So, excuse me. What I do is I'll just take a flat kabuki brush, and this has shimmer in it. So, actually, oh, that's kind of orange. I was just gonna put that. Thank God I swatched that. Like, wow. No, that's definitely a highlighter shade for deeper tones. If I can take that out of the thing, I'll give it to my cousin or something. So, I'll just highlight with what I have. Please hold. I have the Bare Minerals fucked up palette, but I'm just gonna do that. I know this is a Boxy Charm video, but girl, I planned on that being my bronzer, so hold on. BRB. Oh shit, my eyes look fucked up. Let's try to do this shade as a highlight shade since we, oh, I almost dropped the shit. That'll be better if you hold it that way, Larissa, right? This is my first time doing any type of makeup on camera. Please bear with me, okay? Thank you. I'm gonna try to do this one as a highlight shade. Actually, this might be a little bit too much for this type of eye. I need something like more subtly pink, but fuck it, right? This is just some shit I got at Marshall's. I don't even know. Oh my goodness. No, I'm so sorry, guys. I am all over the place today, and I know, like, you're probably like, girl, just throw the whole box away. But no, we got to try the IT Cosmetics. Ooh. It's cute. This is the packaging. I mean, this is the packaging, just a regular box. But this is the Superhero IT Cosmetics mascara. I hope it's mascara. I hope I'm not using, yep, it's mascara. And, oh, let's see. Okay. All right, cool. Nice, cute little wand. I don't know if you can actually, there you go. I'm just gonna go down. Okay, clumps. Like, I normally go down and then I go up. Okay. Oh, okay. So you can see the difference, this eye versus that eye. Let's just do the bottom lashes too, just so you can see one eye versus the other. So this is the bow and arrow. I've seen it a lot, but I've never tried it on myself. I figured I would stick to brown. This is a nude. Oh, it's really brown. It's cute. See that swatch? So cute. I am gonna line my lips with just a nude little thing. Here, this one, Ever Cha 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 Ta. I don't know what it's called. Sorry. So this is my final result. My hair is dry. So, okay, first things first, my hair feels super soft. It is not defined. It is frizzy, but frizz is inedible. No, frizz is inevitable. So yeah, it's been maybe like an hour, if that. I diffused, and I just want you guys to see the difference in my curl pattern. And no, this is not because I didn't use any tools. I just think it's the leave-in that made my hair very wavy. It's fine though. It feels really nice. It smells really nice. Oh my god, I don't want to give up on this leave-in. I really want to try it with my Eden Body Works curl video coming soon. I don't know if the video is going to be up before or after. Like, I really want to try it with my Eden Body Works because that really does define my hair. Even though this gel works almost the same, but like I have definition here, whatever, but, and here only, but I don't hate it, and I don't want to hate it, and I hope I'm not being biased, but I don't want to hate it because first of all, it's expensive as hell, and second of all, my hair smells and feels really nice. Oh my goodness. I just know this isn't gonna last though. I know my hair isn't gonna last. So to refresh tomorrow, I'm probably gonna have to go in with my diamond brush, or I'm gonna have to re-wet my entire hair, and I'm gonna try this with my Eden Body Works because I actually have something important to do tomorrow. But step by step. First of all, let's start with the lip. As you can see, I have a butthole lip right now. So I'm really surprised because Kat Von D normally does not do this. I have other Kat Von D liquid lipsticks. I normally don't even have to take it with me when I'm outside, like if I go out or anything. Second of all, the Masquerade palette, it can go somewhere and not in my vanity because it was just a whole hot mess. I did not like it. The mascara, loved it. We'll definitely be using it. That's going in the vanity. The leave-in, we're gonna give it another try. What else came with it? The lotion, I'm not even gonna try. So we have the lipstick, the mascara, the leave-in, the lotion, and the palette. That's all 5. I would give this Boxy Charm box, which is my first time, a 3.5 out of 5 stars. They get 3.5 stars because that palette just did not do it for me. But thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you like this variation on my channel. I hope to do more stuff like this. I might be getting anyways, I might be getting the curl box. If that's something you're interested in seeing, please let me know. If I use this leave-in wrong, please let me know. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for being here, and remember, your nature is beautiful.